2 in the expanded notation is the vertical method. Please remember that we're continuing with subtraction this week. With the vertical method, we need to break up both numbers as well. So once we've written down our number sentence, we need to start with step 1, which is to estimate the final answer. Please take note that you do not need to write this estimation out. You can simply do it in your head or write it on a scrap piece of paper. So your first number is 45,751. Rounded off to the nearest thousand will give us 46,000. Your second number is 27,318. Rounded off to the nearest thousand will give us 27,000. Therefore, 46,000 minus 27,000 will give us an estimate answer of 19,000. Step 2 would be to break up every number into the value, The second number is written below the first number this time. So here's the first number, and there is the second number written below. And the first value, the number broken up, is in 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 1. Please ignore all the green for now. Then you have your subtraction sign over there, and you put down the second, you break down the second number, which is 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 8. Please note that my units are below each other, my tens are below each other, the hundreds, thousands, and the 10,000s are all below each other. Step 3 would be to calculate. Please remember that when you borrow, we use color to indicate so that we can see where we've borrowed from. Similar to the horizontal method, we are going to start calculating from our right side to our left, starting off with the units. 1 minus 8, we know that that cannot happen, so we need to go to the tens and borrow. We scratch out the 50, we're taking 10 over to the units, so we are remaining with 40 there. So please write 40 down. So now it becomes 11 minus 8, which is 3. 40 minus 10 is 30. 700 minus 300 is 400. 5,000 minus 7,000, we know that we cannot do that. So we now need to go and borrow from the 10,000s. And here are the 10,000s. We scratch out 40,000. We take 10,000 over to the 5. So it becomes 15,000 now. And what remains here is 30,000. So here we now have 15,000 minus 7,000, which will give us 8,000. Please take note, everything's written below each other. And then we have 30,000 minus 20,000, which gives us 10,000. And our last step is to check the final answer. So 3 is the only unit? Yes. 30 is the only 10? Yes. 400 is the only hundreds? Yes. 8,000 is the only 1,000? Yes. 10,000 is the only 10,000s? Yes. So we end up with a final answer of 18,433. Go back to our estimated answer and see if it's pretty close. And we can see that this is 19,000, which is not too far off 18,433.